Spar was founded when a group of 8 wholesalers went into partnership in 1963 to service small retailers. It was part of the Tiger Brands Group and was relisted in September 2004. It has a market cap of 19.6 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 17.3 and a dividend yield of 3.4%. And they've also got Wayne Hook. Is he still at the helm?
He is. He's based in Durban and that looks fine. Remember, they've got the stores everybody's familiar with, mostly owned by franchisees, hence a lower capital base, but the model therefore is very different. 2 standout pieces that are extra worth noting are Build It and Tops, which is respectively building materials and the
then the liquor
stores.
Component in the top stores.
Grower.
Spar is a model that a number of retailers would do well to follow, wouldn't they, Lavan?
Certainly. What you've noticed, Spar's put on a number of new stores in the last 12 months. You've seen probably about 50
still big
or
capex
60.
on that front then?
Yes, and because it's owner stores on a franchise model, it becomes very attractive as an investor looking into the group. Coronation's picked up on this and they've upped their stake to now 10%. So other players looking very closely at Spar as a group. Just to remember, it was a tearaway in 2003, 2004 from Tiger Brands. And a lot of the companies that came out of that stable had performed very, very nicely. And you would have done well holding on to Spar for the last 10 years. I think it's been a good return.
And all the retailers have pulled back to the same magnitude. Perhaps not Woolworths, which seems to be trading a little higher than the rest of them.
It has held up a little bit better, but all of them have had their ups and downs, good weeks, bad weeks, but have basically blown off since January. And I think that's the opportunity here, because everyone's a little bit tense, a little bit nervous. But for me anyway, eating and buying things for your family are definitely not going out of fashion.
Right, so it's got Tops, and what is the other brand?
Build It.
Build It.
And remember, it's also got all those rural locations. So for many smaller towns, the Spar is the sort of preferred newer discount supermarket, and it's got a local franchisee who's well embedded in the community and growing fast.
All right, so let's go. We're now going to put ourselves against one another and go to hot or not. And Paul, Lavan, you're into camera 3, sir. We're going to pit you against Paul. All right, hot or not?
Yes, for me, hot.
And Lavan?
I think the entrepreneurial spirit that goes with Spar makes it very hot.